Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, you will learn how to make a request or make your intentions or desires known in Yoruba using one simple word, fe. So mo fe means I want, o fe means he or she wants, won fe means they want. We also use won for the elderly to show respect. It's a sign of respect. And afe means we want. So let's look at some examples. Enjoy the lesson. All right, let's start with mo fe. Mo means I. Mo fe means I want. Mo fe jeun means I want to eat. Jeun is eat. Mo fe sun, I want to sleep. What about if you want to dance? How do you say it? Mo fe jo, I want to dance. If you want to propose to somebody, you can tell them, Mo fe fe, I want to marry you. Mo fe lo sita lo shere means I want to go outside and play. What about you? So we've seen how to say I. What about you want? If you're telling somebody they want something, means you say o fe. So you can say, this is a statement, you can say o fe jeun. It means you want to eat. O fe jeun. Or you can change it to a question and ask, Ṣé o fe jeun? Do you want to eat? And the response can be, Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mo fe jeun. Yes, I want to eat. O fe sun means you want to sleep, making an observation, o fe sun. Or you can ask, Ṣé o fe sun? Do you want to sleep? And the child says, Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, màámi, mo fe sun. It said, Yes, mom, I want to sleep. O fe jo means you want to dance. Jẹ́ ká jó means let's dance. You is o fe, he or she is o fe. O fe. So o is used for male or female. O fe shere means he wants to play. O fe lo shere means he wants to go and play. Lo is go. He wants to go and play. Won fe means they want. Won is they. We use won of course, for more than one person, and we also use won for an elderly person. It's a sign of respect. Won fe kawe means he wants to read. The elderly person wants to read. What about we? We is afe. Afe lo si ilewe. We want to go to school. Afe lo si ita. We want to go outside. Afe lo shere, we want to go and play. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something in this lesson. Please subscribe to the channel and come back for more lessons. Like this video and share. Eshe odabo.